in acid, base and salt. In your chapter we already discussed the acid and base. Now acid is a substance which produce H plus ion or hydronium ion when dissolved in water. तो एसिड क्या प्रोड्यूस करेगा? H प्लस आयन और H3O प्लस मीन्स हाइड्रोनियम आयन. इट इज़ अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ एसिड. एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, HBr, हाइड्रोब्रोमिक एसिड, हाइड्रोजन आयोडाइड, हाइड्रोजन ब्रोमाइड, हाइड्रोब्रोमिक एसिड. देन एसिटिक एसिड, H2SO4 सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, HN3 नाइट्रिक एसिड. It is an example of acid. When it dissolve or ionize in water, it produce H plus ion or hydronium ion. It produce H plus ion or hydronium ion. This is all example of acid. Base is a substance which produce OH minus ion in the aqueous solution, which produce OH minus ion in the aqueous solution, which ionize in the aqueous solution produce OH minus ion base. Example NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium acetate. It is example of base. Salt, ammonium acetate, NaCl, KCl. It is example of salt. Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium bromide. It is example of salt. Now preparation of acid from acidic oxide. Preparation of acid from acidic oxide. Acidic oxide. Acidic oxide. Now acidic oxide, sulfur trioxide, which hydrolysis. Acidic oxide on hydrolysis means sulfur trioxide on hydrolysis, addition of water, it produce H2SO4 सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. तो आप लोग देखो स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर टोटल ऑक्सीजन, नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन 4, 3 + 1 4, 1 sulfur and 2 hydrogen. It is a sulfuric acid. It is obtained from sulfur trioxide on hydrolysis to give sulfuric acid H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Next, carbon dioxide on hydrolysis, it gives carbonic acid H2CO3. It is another example of carbonic acid, preparation of carbon dioxide plus water to give carbonic acid. Carbon dioxide, it is example of acidic oxide. Next, preparation of phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid obtained from phosphorus pentoxide plus water molecules. It gives H3PO4. It is the structure of phosphoric acid. There are total 2 times phosphorus, therefore it is a 2 times. We use 3 times water molecules to give phosphoric acid. It is a structure of phosphoric acid H3PO4. Their total number of oxygen 5 + 3 in reactant also and product also. Number of hydrogen 3 and product also and reactant also. Number of phosphorus 2, reactant also and product also. This phosphoric acid obtained from phosphorus pentoxide. It is a acidic oxide. which hydrolyzes to give phosphoric acid. The preparation of sulfurous acid. The sulfurous acid, when SO2 gas react with or hydrolyzes, it gives H2SO3. H2SO3, formation of sulfurous acid. We already discussed sulfur dioxide on hydrolysis to give sulfuric acid, carbon dioxide on hydrolysis to give carbonic acid, phosphorus pentoxide which on hydrolysis 3 times molecules to give 2 times phosphoric acid. It is a preparation of acid, or it is give acid from acidic oxide which on hydrolyze means addition of water to give acid. We also prepare sulfuric acid when oxidation of non-metal like sulfur, when sulfur which on plus by using nitric acid, it is a oxidizing agent 6 times, then it gives sulfuric acid. It is a non-volatile acid. Non-volatile means its boiling point greater than 100, which are not rapidly evaporate. 2 times water and 6 times NO2. And this nitric acid react with sulfur non-metal, then it gives sulfuric acid, and 6 times NO2, 6 molecules of NO2 and 2 molecules of water. Now preparation of phosphoric acid H3PO3. It is obtained, or when it phosphorus, it is a non-metal, it react with 5 times HO3 nitric acid, it is oxidizing agent, it gives phosphoric acid, and 5 times NO2 molecule and byproduct as a water, it gives phosphoric acid H3PO4 phosphoric acid. When phosphorus on react with nitric acid, it gives phosphoric acid and 5 times NO2 nitro and plus water. It is another acid prepared when phosphorus, it is a non-metal which are oxidation by using suitable reagent as a nitric acid to give phosphoric acid. Now acid depending on their basicity means their strength, means number of hydronium ion produced in the aqueous solution. There are monobasic acid, dibasic acid, tribasic acid, tetrabasic acid. It is example of their on their strength. Now first one is monobasic acid, which containing HCl, hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid when dissolved in water, it produces H3O. It produces H3O plus hydronium ion and Cl minus ion. There are several examples of monobasic acid: HCl, HBr, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide, acetic acid. It is example of monobasic acid. It produces only one hydronium ion in the aqueous solution. Next, dibasic acid. Dibasic acid, it produces two molecules of hydronium ion, 2 times hydronium ion in the aqueous solution. There are examples: sulfuric acid, oxalic acid, carbonic acid, sulfurous acid. There are 4 examples which having 2 times hydronium ion produced. Suppose sulfuric acid. When sulfuric acid H2SO4, when first time water molecules it produce H3O plus and HSO4 minus ion. This HSO4 minus ion again react with water molecules, then it form SO4 minus 2 and hydronium ion. Therefore, in sulfuric acid it produce 2 hydronium ion in the aqueous solution. Therefore, it is example of dibasic acid. It is example of dibasic acid. Same kind of another example, oxalic acid also produce 2 hydronium ion. Carbonic acid also produce 2 hydronium ion, H3O plus. Sulfuric acid, oxalic acid, sulfurous acid, carbonic acid, example of dibasic acid. It is the first step, H2SO4 plus water, it produce HSO4 minus and H3O plus. This HSO4 minus again plus water, it produce H3O plus and SO4 minus 2, same like carbonic acid. Next, tribasic acid is this acid which ionize in water, it produce 3 hydronium ion. There are example phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid which hydrolysis it when in water, it produce 3 hydronium ion. This is the first step, second step and third step. It produce PO4 minus 3 ion, H3PO4 minus 3 ion. This is example of tribasic acid, H3PO4. Phosphoric acid, it is a weak acid. It is example of tribasic. It has basicity 3. It has basicity 3. There are tetrabasic. Their basicity 4. There are two examples. Silylic acid H4SiO4. It is a tetrabasic acid. Another example H4P2O7. Pyrophosphoric acid. It is example of tetrabasic acid. Tetrabasic acid. Now preparation of base from basic oxide which hydrolyze, basic oxide which are hydrolyzed, basic oxide which are hydrolyzed to give base. When basic oxide hydrolyze to give base, there are same example, preparation of sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, barium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. It is obtained from basic oxide. It is obtained from basic oxide which on hydrolysis to give base. Now sodium oxide, it is a basic oxide which hydrolyze means addition of water to give NaOH. There are 2 times Na, 2 times, therefore formation of 2 times NaOH. There are 2 times Na, 2 times oxygen, 2 hydrogen. Sodium hydroxide, it is obtained from sodium oxide which on hydrolyze to give NaOH. Same kind of another K2O, potassium oxide which on hydrolyze to give KOH. Then magnesium oxide next which on hydrolyze to give magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice. It is example of basic oxide. It is preparation of base from basic oxide which on hydrolyze. Magnesium hydroxide preparation from magnesium oxide. Now calcium oxide, basic oxide which on hydrolyze to give CaOH twice. CaOH twice. Preparation of calcium hydroxide. We already discussed about the basicity of acid, same like base also. Monoacidic base, there are only one OH minus ion produced in aqueous solution. There are several example NaOH, it produce Na plus ion and OH minus ion. KOH, potassium hydroxide also produce K plus ion and OH minus ion. There is example which produce only one OH minus ion in the aqueous solution, then it is example of monoacidic base. It is example of monoacidic base. It is example of monoacidic base. NaOH, KOH, it is example of monoacidic base. It only produce one OH minus ion. It only produce one OH minus ion. Another diacidic base. Di means 2. Di means 2. It produce 2 OH minus ion. It produce 2 OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. There are 2 calcium hydroxide. It is example of diacidic base. Calcium hydroxide, it is example of diacidic base. It produce 2 OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. It produce 2 OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. Here example. Barium hydride, it also produce 2 OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. Magnesium hydride also produce 2 OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. ये भी दूसरा एग्जाम्पल है स्टूडेंट्स. लिसन हियर. It is example of diacidic base. There are 2 OH minus ion produced in the aqueous solution. 2 OH minus ion produced in the aqueous solution. It produced 2 OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. Same kind of another example, copper hydroxide. Copper hydroxide also produced 2 OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. Now triacidic base. Triacidic base. Tri means 3. It produces 3 OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. There are example aluminum hydroxide. This aluminum hydroxide, it produces 3 Al plus 3 and 3 times OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. Therefore, it is example of triacidic base. Another example, ferric hydroxide, FeOH thrice. It produces Fe plus 3 and 3 OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. It is example of triacidic base. It is example of triacidic base. It is example of triacidic base.